Dumpling unboxing part 5. Normal dumpling, mini dumplings. I'm gonna open the mini dumplings first. Oh wait. First one. Is this a duplicate or is... 1 second, let me see. I can't tell. I can't tell what blue I got. That this might be a duplicate, so oh well. Next one. Wait. I'm so confused. Which am I? Do I have both blues or something? I'm confused. I didn't even get a single purple. And last one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, blue! New one. Well, that was the end, so bye-bye.